big part of everything I'm talking about, the setting up your business and taking control of your business, is keeping track of your business expenses. So this is the time where we talk about building out our team, mention accountants, bookkeepers, CPA, the whole thing. So make sure now you have the systems in place when you're at whatever level you're at, right? If you're just starting out, it doesn't matter. If you're more advanced, it also doesn't matter. But this is a good time to look and make sure, do I have the right systems in place for me to scale effectively and to also be the most organized I possibly can be? So this is a great spot. Pause, make sure your finances are in order, make sure you got that business checking account set up. For me, I love to have that set up at a small local bank, a bank that I can grow with and scale. And they're going to be a lot of the ones that I'm going to go to for my cash out refis on any of my BRRRR properties, any of my rentals or whatever. And then I also like to have another one with a more national bank. I personally use Chase. I just really like them. They have a good relationship. But if you don't have one nearby, use whatever one you like or you might already have. So not a huge deal there. And again, this then also just make sure you have the right bookkeeper in place, the right CPA in place, the right people in place to help you make sure to lessen your tax liability and to give you that advice. So Prime does an amazing job at this. We talk about it for setting up LLCs, but they're also really, really great at this stuff. So if you haven't already, make sure you take advantage of that free 45-minute call with them. And they can do a deeper dive into where you're at and exactly how they can help you and how you should be structured to make sure you're protected in all the ways that you need to be.